Average guy tested, average guy approved. Now, first off, before I get going on today's video, I want to thank my man, Mike Solano from M Creations Print Studio. He's sponsoring the channel to bring you great content like this and to bring you guys great shirts like this. Now, if you need shirts, if you need a website or printed materials, brochures, graphic design, whatever you need, Mike Solano and his team can help. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check them out. The M Creations Print Studio is just awesome, guys. Let me know if you want an average guy tested and approved shirt, and maybe we can get them out to you. Or if you need a fancy business card like this. All right, guys, let's get to work. Now, this past Sunday, I talked to you about Walgreens and their EASYFIT razor. If you look here in the fine print, comparable or compare to the Mach3. So I figured I would do that for you guys. Average guy tested. I figured I'd do that for you, and I went out and bought a new Mach3. So we'll do an unboxing. We'll look at how they're constructed. We'll do a shave off. Let's do it. All right, guys, I didn't want to bore you with the actual opening of the packages. It takes like an hour to get them out of the wrap, but here they are, the two razors side by side. Now, first off, just a form factor difference. This Mach3, much thinner. It's all chromed out, a little bit of rubber there, and it feels solid. Now you have this EASYFIT 3 from Walgreens. Right off the bat, the Gillette has a much thinner blade. And where that's going to come into effect is in these little nooks and crannies under your nose. And just the overall finesse. This looks really bulky. I'm not sure you could get up in and under, but we'll see. Other than that, looks pretty sturdy. Has sort of a Mach 3 angle to it. Not as dramatic, but the proof will be in the shaving pudding, so to speak. I will shave this side of my face with the Contender, the EASYFIT 3, and I'll shave this side of my face with the champ, the reigning champ, the Gillette Mach3. Let's get some lather going and let's get shaving. So I'm going to use my favorite, one of my favorites, Gillette Foam Mousse for this shave, because I just love it. I'm only gonna apply the cream on this side of the face, and then when I'm ready to do the other side, I'll steam up and apply the cream on the other side, just to be fair. So I'm going to test this EASYFIT 3 again, pivoting head, sort of that Mach 3-esque angle. You've got a pretty beefy razor and pretty beefy support or protection lubrication strip up top and your rubber guides down here. So let's go. Proof is in the pudding, guys. Shaving first pass with the grain of the hair, which is growing down on my face. Nice, even strokes, guys. Very nice and smooth. No worries about nicking yourself, or no tugs, no pulls on the neck now. Flipping the blade the other way to shave with the grain. And this razor is making pretty quick work of this 4-day stubble. and a relatively smooth, easy, comfortable shave. So let's clean off, take a look at what we have. All right, guys, this may be a little too close, and I apologize, but just checking out to see how close I got. Not bad. The razor provides good protection. It's got a good feel, solid feel to it. And even though the cartridge is beefy, I was able to get up and do a pretty good job under the nose. Let's steam up, apply our lather, and we'll check out the Mach3. Loving this Gillette foam mousse, guys. I'll leave links in the description box below so you can get all these products, and also a link to Mike's M3 print studio. So you can get your t-shirts, your printed materials, whatever you need. All right, we're gonna go with the reigning champion, Gillette Mach3. It's got that patented Mach3 sweeping head, and you've got the pivoting cartridge up top. It's very slim form factor there. A nice slim lubrication strip and your rubber guides at the bottom. This has been the razor of choice for many a year. All right, here we go. Let's wet the head a little bit and let's shave straight down. Oh, nice. Nice, guys. Already, I can tell you, I feel more contact, more control with this razor because of the thinness of it. I can actually feel clipping the individual hairs. Didn't get that much control with the other product. Similar to driving a sports car that gives you more contact with the road, or a larger sedan, let's say, that has a little vague steering. All right, let's flip this up and you hear those blades working? Nice. And a quicker made quicker work of that stubble with the Mach3. After one pass, guys, just the feel of the shave, I'm going to tell you hands down, Mach3. It's not even comparable to me. Now, I'm not saying that the EasyFit 3 is a bad razor. I just wouldn't compare them. I could go with another pass, which I'll do now. But I'm calling it. I am calling it. Gillette Mach3 gets the final pass of today's video. Because hands down, guys, I'd rather be, I mean, even for the investment, I haven't really looked at blades. So replacement blades may be where there's some cost savings, but to buy one handle and a blade is relatively the same amount of money. And for my money, politics aside, for my money, I'm sticking with Gillette. So let's do this final pass for today. Typically, I might do a 3-pass shave. Second pass, I'd go across the grain. Just today, I'm gonna do 2 passes, and I'm gonna do against the grain. So my hair grows, and most people, your hair on your face grows this way, so against the grain, you'd actually flip the blade up, and you shave up. Nice. Solid strokes, guys. You hear that? You hear that razor doing the work? No nicks, no tugs. No worries. And just a lot of contact. A lot of contact and a lot of control, guys. Nice. Nice. You hear that blade? Now nice, solid, firm strokes. You don't want to dig into your skin. You want to let the device do the work. You're not digging, you're shaving. All right, coming into the home stretch. Hair on your neck primarily grows this way. So if we're gonna go against the grain, we are shaving with the traditional handle grip and just shaving down. Nice. For my money, guys, it's gonna be Gillette Mach3 all day long.
All day long.
Again, this EasyFit 3 from Walgreens is not a bad razor. I actually think it's more comparable to your Schick product. It kind of even looks like a Schick product. It's got this wider or fatter cartridge here. The one thing I was looking for was the precision trimmer, but I can't seem to get it to come out, so I guess there is no precision trimmer. Hands down, guys. To me, no question. And I love the looks of the Mach3. You know, that chrome and rubber. Kind of a chrome and rubber or carbon fiber look to it. Very nice. And this head, guys, this thin form factor of that head, which allows you just great control. You feel every stroke. You can get into all the different niceties, the nooks and crannies. Average guy tested, average guy approved. Again, links below. You can get all these products. You can check them out for yourself. And if you need t-shirts or printed materials or websites or any graphic design, check out my boy Mike over at M Creations Print Studio, and he'll take care of you. Let him know the average guy sent you, and he'll hook you up. Thanks again, Mike, for these great t-shirts. Average guy tested, average guy approved. All right, guys, I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, keep pushing play. Keep pushing play. Average guy tested, average guy approved.